Okay then guys, welcome back again to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about how you can add a clock widget on your iPad home screen. Now the process is very simple. All you have to do is just to make sure that you have a clock app available. By default you should have the clock app, which looks like this. This is the one which I refer to, the one from Apple. And if you have this one, you will have access to the built-in widgets. So let me just begin with that. Hold down anywhere on the screen like this, tap on the plus icon in the upper left corner. You'll get to all of your widgets right here and scroll through the left panel to find the clock right here. And you have the digital clock, which is the first one available, or the clock 1, 2, 3, CD1, CD2, 3, many different options available and different sizes for you to pick. So let's just go with the digital clock. You can add it like this, and now you successfully added the digital clock on your iPad home screen. What's also interesting about it is that it might appear that you don't see the seconds, but you do in fact, because if I zoom it in right here, the entire widget is just like filling up right here as the seconds go by. So once the full circle just goes through it, the time will flip to 8:36. So yeah, this is how you can add a clock widget on your iPad. However, these are not the only options naturally, because if you find some third-party app which works as a clock, like this one for example, which has some ads built in, which are kind of annoying, but if you have an app like this and go again to the widgets page right here, just find the app so you can see the digital clock widget or the digital clock right here. You just go ahead and click on that and you have another set of widgets which are available to you just because you use a third-party app for it. So yeah, it's up to you to decide which one you want to use, but with third-party apps, those from the App Store, the possibilities are really there, so you can go ahead and easily just make sure you have the one that you need. So yeah, you can add it like this. Yeah, add it to the home screen. You have two of them. This one physically or like visibly shows the seconds as well as the time. So yeah, it's up to you to decide and find the correct third-party app, or just stick with the built-in one. So these are the options that you have available. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a thumbs up, subscribe down below, check out Foxtecc videos in the future. Stay tuned and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out until then.